How to use green screen on TikTok with multiple photos. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to use green screen on TikTok with multiple photos. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, simply open the TikTok app and then press on the plus button found on the bottom mid of your screen. Once you are here, make sure first that you are on the camera or on the story section if you want to. You may also change the time first before heading to the effects section. So I'll just choose 15 seconds and then I will choose effects. Click on the search button right here and type in green screen. So once you type in green screen, choose the very first option, which has this icon. So click on it, and then right here, there is a default picture right here. If you want to edit this picture, simply click on effects and choose the photo that you want to have right here, or click on the plus button to see more photos. For example, I will choose this one first, and then once you have chosen this one, you may now start recording your video. And then let's say, for example, that you are done recording your video. You may go back to effects and change the photo that you want, just like this one. So again, you start recording, and once you have done that, go to effects once again, choose another photo. And let's just choose this one. And then once you have chosen another photo, record another one, and then that's it. That's how you can use green screen on TikTok with multiple photos. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.